Happy Thanksgiving! You should be seeing this on Thanksgiving Day or some part of it. We hope that you're enjoying some time with your friends or your family or even your coworkers. The shop is closed today, so if you call us here, nobody's going to answer, but we'll be right back on schedule tomorrow for I'm wearing Black Friday. If you go to our website today, the Black Friday sale is live and we've got all kinds of deals. You can go to it right this second while your pie's baking and get some stuff. You can buy for yourself, buy some early Christmas gifts. It's getting really late though, so I wouldn't call any Christmas gifts that you purchase early now. I think you're kind of right on time. I haven't bought any, so you can sit with me if you're on that table too. So let's get this show on the road. This week's fiber gift is this really cute Turkish spindle from Galena, and it's made in Russia. And I know that you can't see from here, but it's hand painted with little perfect beautiful blue and silver snowflakes, and it's got a really it's smooth, nothing's gonna get hung on it. It's just a really beautifully crafted spindle. It's important, we only have very few of these. They were created just for the 12 fiber gifts of Christmas for the Woolery. They are exclusive to us, and when we run out, we will not be reordering these. So if this is something that you think you would like to have for yourself or somebody else, I highly encourage you to go ahead and get one now because they're not coming back. It's on great sale. It's $45, and it's just so pretty and seasonal and cute and hand painted, which makes it really nice. It's a special little heirloomy kind of gift, and we think that you'll like it. This is gift number 7, and that's all for this week. Enjoy your crazy holiday weekend. Try to stay away from the crowds and shop online at the Woolery.